What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to program a Honda smart key using your AUTEL KM100. This example is on a 2016 Honda Accord. We've got one working vehicle key right here, and then our key to be added over here. Now what we're going to do is go to our immobilizer menu in the KM100. And I'm going to go ahead and see, we'll turn on the ignition here. We're going to go auto detect the VIN. There we have it. Make sure it pulls up Honda Accord. So we are dealing with a smart key, and this is a push to start, not a push turn to start. Go ahead and hit yes. I'm going to go into control unit here, keyless system. The ignition is turned on. Now you also will have to have your VCI plugged in. I recommend hardwiring it into the KM100. Make sure you have the green check light up there. For this, we're going to do an add a key. Now I have the door open, but one thing, you'll want to keep the door open because you're going to have to remove keys from the vehicle that are already learned, and I'll show you what that entails here. So we'll go to add a key. It's going to go through a couple things to make sure you don't have any errors. Let you read that for a second. But essentially it's saying that key must be in the vehicle that starts it, your ignition must be on, and try to reduce electronic noise like cell phones. I'm going to hit OK. Turn off the ignition. Place a learned key in the vehicle. Take all other keys out. So this is our unlearned key vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and just set it on the grass over here. This is our working key. We'll go ahead and just hit OK. Please turn the ignition switch on. Place all keys out of the vehicle. Go ahead and put this one on the left over here. Then we'll go ahead and hit OK. So it's too close. Let's go ahead and move them a little further. I'll put them on the trunk over here. Place the next key to be learned in the vehicle. Let's go grab our key. Looking for the one with the Honda logo. Just keep that in the seat here. Please turn ignition off. Please turn the ignition on. We're hitting it twice to get it on. Both keyless access and immobilizer lights turned off. So what we're looking for here is the steering wheel's a little in the way. Right about here there's a blinking red light for the immobilizer. That is not there, so it is turned off. We're going to hit yes. Turn ignition off. Turn the ignition switch back on. It's very similar to the keyed ignitions process as well. Just to clarify, when I'm doing this on and off the AUTELs, I'm not hitting any buttons, it's automatically doing that. Registration is complete. Please turn off ignition switch and press start. So just turn it off. Check all remotes are working. I'll go ahead and get out of the car here real quick. So there's our new one. Let's make sure our old one is still working. Perfect. Keyless access is working. And our final step is we'll just make sure that the car is turned on. Well, turn the ignition on one more time. That's what this is saying. Just got to close out the programming mode. So check that it works, then turn the ignition back on. And we're closed out of programming mode. So if everything's done correctly, we should be able to get it to start up. Then make sure we show no immobilizer or keyless errors. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how you program a Honda Smart Key using your AUTEL KM100. This is a 2016 Honda Accord. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time.